Hello to everyone. I hope you all are doing good. And this video is all about new speaking cue card. And this one is the first version of Makkan new cue card. There are some changes in this new cue card, like 1 to 22. These are the new ones. If you are familiar with the previous one, then you can easily find out which one is new. Please pause this video and take a screenshot of this video, and please leave a comment and let me know which one is the toughest cue card for you. Bye bye to all of you who are watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share and subscribe this channel. Bye. Take care.